Providence's Mount Pleasant neighborhood offers plenty of variety and spice to let you create a balanced lifestyle with city destinations minutes away. This wonderful family-friendly home lends enviable commutes to LaSalle Academy, the East Side, and downtown for easy mornings, while proximity to Atwells Avenue more than satisfies a thirst for nightlife. Approach the newly rebuilt entry and step inside the inviting living room accented by its original hardwood floors. Move to the center left of the home to find two comfortable bedrooms, each with windows on two sides for a cheery, sunlit atmosphere with a shared full bath. Continue into the home's focal point, a stunning, renovated eat-in kitchen presenting fine shaker cabinetry with under-cabinet lighting, natural stone countertops, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, and wide plank ceramic flooring. Customize the space to your needs, whether you prefer a bright breakfast spot or an adult cocktail corner. Enjoy the best of each season as walkout access leads you to both the enclosed sun porch and the fenced rear patio with enchanting and artfully designed landscaping for charm-filled outdoor living, plus access to the detached one-car garage. Step back inside and upstairs to a pair of additional bedrooms perfect for a growing family. Fashion a play space suited to energetic children or quiet telecommuting zones for busy professionals. The versatility of this cozy residence lets you make it all your own. A short drive to the restaurants, specialty shops, and cafes of Olneyville and Federal Hill present unparalleled activity and new experiences. Venture downtown for theater and fine dining, in addition to the sights, sounds, and aromas of Waterfire at Waterplace Park. For a true taste of nature, a 30-minute drive takes you to the pristine beauty of Smithfield, Cumberland, and Lincoln. The convenient downtown train station provides swift passage to Boston, New York, and beyond. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Ramiro and Sizo at area code 646-275-4542.